Qingdao Nutep New Energy Technology Company, having own factory started in the year of 2000, located in Heezi City, near to the Qingdao port, convenient for transportation. Set R&D, production, sales and service as one. We focus on the production and development of intelligent dry ice equipment, having professional technical personnel, can achieve product customization. Main products are dry ice blasting machine, dry ice pelletizer, dry ice block machine and whole production line. Our factory has passed the ISO 9000 quality management and has a comprehensive technical team. The most products has CE certificate and has obtained multiple national patents. We have many years of experience in manufacturing and adopt advanced production processes. High-quality equipment materials and accessories, complete testing procedures, and scientific management, equipped with experienced R&D personnel, starting from user experience, provide professional practical efficient and reliable quality equipment. Based on years of experience in the production and use, we continuously improving own technical strength and capability, ensuring excellent product quality and long service life. Professionalism creates quality, service creates the future, this is our business philosophy. We are deeply rooted in the domestic market and constantly developing overseas markets. Our business scope has expanded to Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, Africa, and more. Welcome technical discussions and visiting the factory.